Huckleberry jam recipe. Most recipes call for a 1-to-1 ratio of berries to sugar. I like to use a little less sugar because I like to pick my huckleberries when they're really dark, almost black, so they've been on the vine longer. And maybe a squirt of lemon juice, and then let it simmer over medium heat while stirring for 10 minutes. And then also 2 more minutes on a rolling boil. If you want all of the ingredients to be from native plants, then you can substitute Manzanita berries in place of the sugar and the lemon juice. Manzanita berries are high in vitamin C, but you'll want to remove the skin and the seed from the Manzanita berry and only use the powder that's on the inside. Muy delicioso.